Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I bought a bunch of Destash from Tereasa, Crafts by Tereasa, and there's some stuff that she actually made for the girls, and I'm gonna here to share. So I'm gonna start out with, she made the girls some homemade lip gloss, and I couldn't tell you a thing about them. I know they're different flavors. That's all I remember. But I'm going to leave them right in the packages for the girls. They aren't them pretty? Look at that. I can't wait. And I'm going to test them out when I show them the girls. But what I mean by girls, that means Leah, Allie, and Riley. So, and Diamond. So, because we can leave it a note. So, you got three. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you got 3 and then 2 extras. So, we always make it fair. So, and like that's 2 blues and that's 2 pinks and 2 clear ones. So they each get 1 of each, I imagine. But the way me and Diamond do it is Allie and Riley live in the same house. So usually if there's not enough to go around, they get 1 per household. So Leah'd get 1 for herself. So thanks, Tereasa. The girls will like them. Look at look at the glitter. There are little hearts in there and stuff. That's kind of cool. I don't know if that's in the lip gloss itself or it's just in a bottle. But I will check that out later. Thank you for thinking of the girls. Alright. So, just remember, I bought all this. Except there is a birthday present in this for me early. She had these outliner markers. So you got blue, a hot pink, a purple, an orange, looks like a lime green, a yellow, looks like a black, a red, a silver, a green, and another pink and a blue. Those are cool. And I love using those markers, so I always take an opportunity. And she surprised me, okay? This was a gift. This one is a gift. She purchased, and she's on right now. I have her muted while I'm doing this video. Tereasa, I want to dig into this so bad, so I want to do this. She purchased the Art by Marlene paints, and it was funny because I was doing my cart, and I had the colors in, and then all of a sudden, I had to wait to see what I had from my sale to buy. Well, all of a sudden, I went back, and the stuff in my cart was gone. Like, I had like 5 boxes, and 3 of the boxes were gone. Well, Tereasa ordered hers, so I think her husband and I have been giving her grief about stealing my cart. So, but she felt bad. And I'm like, don't feel bad. I didn't have the money right on top anyways. I was just making sure I knew what I had to save. And now that she's got them in her possession, I'm kind of glad that I didn't buy them. I'm going to go with the Artsmiths. But she did pick up a smaller set that were made by Master Touch. And she gifted me the smaller set so I could check it out and have them until I could get the bigger one. So we have the neon pink, the neon purple, the neon yellow, and I said she didn't have to, but she did it anyway. The neon, or I said pink, yellow, pink. I'm looking at the bag. The neon blue and the neon green. Now these are the Master Touch ones. The ones that Tereasa's bigger ones that she's showing on her video are by Artsmiths. These are Hobby Lobby. The other ones she's talking about are Joann's, and that's actually the set I'm going to buy because this is all Hobby Lobby has is this size. She bought these before she found the Artsmith ones in the bigger tubes. So she gifted me the small ones. So thank you, Tereasa. I can't wait to play a little bit with them. All right. And there's a lot of paint because she went through a lot of her stuff that she wasn't using. And I use all colors. So she had this Illusion paint, Desert Sand, Vanilla Custard, Black Marble, Dirty Martina. This is one London Blue. It's one of my favorites. And she had, I think it's Penny Winkle. I can't read that, but it's a pink. And this one is, I think this one's Sweet Peas, or Mushy Peas. So those. And then she also had some Artezas she didn't want anymore. Green and an orange. I don't, when I have a good deal on paint, I buy it. And a yellow. And then she has like a, I think it's like a gold maybe. Let's see. Or like a tan. And then she had this purple. So like a lavender. Here's a purple. And a pink. And another pink. Oh god. And then a milky white. And then another pink. And there's, you know, they've been used, but there's a lot left in them. This, I don't know if these are the same pink or not. Oh, it says purple red. Interesting. The names. And then green. And then a teal color. And then I'm still pulling guys. And then a blue. And a dark titanium white. And Naples yellow. And a green gray. A lake blue. And another purple. And titanium white. Oh, and then glossy accents she had, and a purple, another purple red, and another, oh, light magenta, one of my favorite colors, and a sky blue, and a warm gray, and a, ooh, I like this one, rogue. And then, oh, found another delusion. This is, oh, this is my Post Box Red is one of my favorite by Delusions. Okay, I think that's all the paint. Oh, found another paint, guys. And a sour apple. And then she had a couple sprays that she just threw in the box, she told me. And this one is Sunshine and Cut Grass. And then she had another roller she came across. I bought the last roller, the last two rollers, and she came across this one, so I bought that one too. Riley liked using them on her easel. I have big paper roll for in her easel, and she pulls it down. And then I got a paint thing, and she rolls the paint in there, and she rolls them down on the easel. So she thinks that's cool. Then she had this, and I bought this from her. And it's got, she taped, oh no, she didn't. It's got vintage, let's see. Hickory smoke, vintage photo, ground citrus, and black soot. I thought that was kind of cool. And then she had this. I bought these. She taped this up. Ooh. And I didn't have these colors, the gold, black, silver, and I had some pearl ones, but so I was like, yeah, I want them. So bought them from her. And I have a bag that not all this didn't fit in a box, so some is in a bag that'll be here tomorrow. Yeah, that's my birthday. That's my birthday. That's my birthday. Okay. Oh, another marker. Oh, she sent this for one of the girls. I think that, yeah. Oh no, yeah. It's for like a journal, a plastic journal thing, I believe. And Oh, she got these Art by Marlene tags, and I trace them. So she sent me the other ones, because she already sent me the first one she bought, and then she bought the second ones. So she sent me a couple of them to trace, because I'm a cheapskate. And then she had these earrings, and she threw them in a box for one of the girls, Allie, Diamond, Leah, whoever wants them. They're feathers. They're made out of leather. Aren't they cool? I'm just going to take one out. They're really neat. Them cool? So I'm for one of the girls. And, you guys, this is so funny. A splatter brush. I swear to God I had one, or I thought I was going to get one. I don't know. Well, Teresa's reorganizing stuff in her craft space the other day, and she came across an extra one, so she threw it in the box for me. I told Teresa, I've looked everywhere, so I don't know if I ever had one or imagined I got one, so she sent me her extra one, so thank you, Teresa. And that's birthday. Oh, a few more tags. Ooh, look at that shape of them tags. I can't wait. Them are so cool. And then a whole bunch of shipping bags. She knows I go through them more than she does, so she sent me a bunch of them. That's birthday. Now I'm going to do a separate video. Oh, she sent me some of Art by Marlene's vellum pieces, just to see, so I could check it out. See if it's something I want to buy down the road. And then she had, I believe these is what I think they are. And I came up with an idea, but I'm not sharing it as of yet. Oh, oh boy. There are stickers. Like, oh, I'm taking one off. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. I'm running one. It's stuck. Well, it's a sticker, and I'm feeling it the wrong direction, so I'm going to stop right now. I gotta do it this way. My bad. And stickers. Are them cool? I got plans for that. So, and me and Teresa will be doing that together. That's cool. I can't believe I wasted one. I don't like doing that, but oh well. Stinky stuff happens once in a while. Birthday. Yep. So that is my Destash I bought from Teresa. There are a few items that are coming tomorrow. They didn't arrive at the same time. She sent them out at the same time, but they didn't arrive at the same time. And I might do a video tomorrow of that. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.